Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Hello and welcome to our video on do-it-yourself face mask for glowy skin. In this video, we will demonstrate a mini home face mask recipe that you can use to keep your skin a healthy shine and enhance its condition. Why use DIY face mask? Taking care of your skin and addressing specific issues including dryness, acne or dullness may be accomplished by using face mask. Homemade face mask let you tailor the ingredients to your skin type and preferences and are a more affordable and natural alternative to commercial goods. Let's get started with some easy and effective DIY face mask. Oatmeal face mask. Oatmeal is a gentle exfoliant that can help remove dead skin cells and impurities, leaving your skin soft and smooth. To make an oatmeal face mask, you will need it: 1/2 cup of rolled oats, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt. Mix the ingredients in a bowl until you get a smooth paste. Apply the mask to your face and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water and pat dry. Honey face mask. Honey has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that can help smooth and hydrate your skin. To make a honey face mask, you will need it: 1 tablespoon of raw honey, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Mix the honey and lemon juice in a bowl. Apply the mask to your face and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water and pat dry. Avocado face mask. Avocado is rich in healthy fats and vitamins that can nourish and rejuvenate your skin. To make an avocado face mask, you will need it: 1/2 ripe avocado, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Mash the avocado in a bowl until you get a creamy texture. Add the honey and olive oil if using and mix oil. Apply the mask to your face and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water and pat dry. Yogurt face mask. Yogurt contains lactic acid that can help exfoliate and brighten your skin. To make a yogurt face mask, you will need it: 1/4 cup of plain yogurt, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1/4 cup of mashed strawberries. Mix the yogurt and honey in a bowl. Add the mashed strawberries if using and mix oil. Apply the mask to your face and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water and pat dry. These are 4 quick and simple homemade face masks for radiant skin. Before using the components on your face, always do a patch test first. You should also modify the mix to suit your tastes and skin type. Your skin health and appearance will noticeably improve if you include this face mask in your skincare routine once or twice a week. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if have not already done. So thanks for watching and see you next time.